Every year, we hear about the next big thing, the new data tool that's going to finally replace Excel. Yet, right now, millions of people have Excel open on their computers. So, the real question isn't why Excel seems old, but why it's still so incredibly important. Let's dive in. Excel has been a staple in business for decades. Even with all the fancy AI dashboards and advanced analytics platforms, it continues to be a critical tool. Why is that? Well, first off, Excel is universal. It's the common language of business. Small companies use it, huge corporations depend on it, finance teams live in it, and students learn with it. You don't need a complex setup, expensive servers, or a degree in computer science to get started. Its accessibility is a massive advantage that no other tool has really matched. Next, Excel is incredibly flexible and fast. Need to clean up some data quickly? Excel can do that. Need to perform some instant calculations or build a simple forecast? You can do it in minutes. It's the perfect sandbox for testing ideas in real time. For so many day-to-day tasks, firing up a complex BI tool is just overkill. Excel gets the job done faster. This speed and flexibility make it an indispensable part of the workflow for analysts and decision makers alike. And that brings me to my next point, decision making. Think about budgets, financial models, and sales forecasts. More often than not, they start their life as an Excel spreadsheet, and there's a good reason for that. Excel is transparent. You can see every formula, trace every calculation, and understand the logic behind the numbers. It allows for easy scenario testing. What if sales increase by 10%? Just change a single cell and see the impact instantly. Decision makers trust Excel because it gives them direct visibility into the assumptions driving the results. Now, let's be clear. Excel isn't a silver bullet. It's not designed for handling massive, real-time datasets or enterprise-wide automation. It has its limitations, and that's okay. The goal isn't to replace Excel entirely. It's to use it for what it does best. In fact, Excel is a great team player. It integrates smoothly with modern tools like Power BI, databases, and even programming languages like Python. It often acts as the perfect bridge, connecting raw data on one end with advanced analytics on the other. So, Excel still matters because it's accessible, it's flexible, it empowers fast and transparent decisions, and it complements the modern data stack. It's not an outdated relic. It's a foundational tool that's here to stay. If you found this useful and you're still an Excel fan, hit that like button and subscribe to Analysis Hub for more content like this. And I'm really curious, what do you use Excel for the most in your daily work? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.